cooking giniling na beef. That's our dinner for tonight. Add some onion, garlic, and minced beef. I use the minced beef. Then I add potato. You can cut any style you want. And then how many potato you put, it's up to you. Then here's the cooked beef, and then I just add the potato and then stir until it mixes roughly, and then cover, and then I add onion because I like to eat onion, so I just add it to the last part. And then I'd add vinegar, a little bit vinegar. That vinegar is mixed with soy sauce, a little bit soy sauce. And then here I just put salt to taste, and then voila, finish. Let's eat. Thank you for watching. My family love this dish.